Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Clean My Apartment with me. My husband and I are getting ready for an open house this morning. So we have 2 hours to prepare the house for the open house. Come along, I really hope that you enjoy. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get to today's video. As you can see behind me, I've not made the bed yet. I will get to that in just a second. This is my cleaning outfit of the day. This is just the Lululemon tennis active skirt with built-in shorts underneath. And then this top here I got at H&M. It's very comfortable. So yeah, this is just cozy cleaning outfit. And let's get to making the bed. So, fun fact, see these pillows here? I actually got these at the thrift store. So this cover here, this is like a linen cover, and it was like $2. And I just threw it over an old pillow that I had that I just wasn't using. And it just adds a nice touch of greenery. We actually had someone come in to stage our home and just add some opinions. So this was one of the things that she recommended so that we could sell the place faster. So I'll show you what that looks like on the bed. concludes my video, Clean My Apartment With Me. I really hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning video. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!